the Fed has just started injecting hundreds of billions of dollars back into the markets, and we may be on the verge of another massive bull run for crypto. So we're going to talk about that and how that's going to affect Terra Classic. So let's go straight into it. All right, so first looking at Terra Classic, as you know, hasn't been doing much. It is up a little bit today, but not doing a lot. So what's going to happen with everything that's going on? So right now we're seeing the Fed starting to unleash hundreds of billions of dollars back into the markets, and Bitcoin, the whole crypto market's on the verge of another massive bull run. If we do see that huge bull run, then Terra Classic and everything is just going to take off. So if that happens, then we may see some massive pumps in the future for Terra Classic and a lot of different altcoins. So what am I talking about? Well, looking over here, you can see today, again, we're up, the whole crypto market up about 5%, up to 1.1 trillion market cap. And look at this, Bitcoin up 34% in the past 7 days. So we're seeing Bitcoin just pumping straight up. Crazy stuff. And why is this happening? Well, the Fed is starting to turn on the money printer again. So if you look over here, you can see this. This is basically the balance sheet of the Fed, their total assets. And as you can see, well, basically what this means is whenever this goes down, it means they're sucking money out of the economy. When it goes up, they're putting money back into the economy. So over the past year, they've been sucking the money out, quantitative tightening, and now look at this. Suddenly, boom, we have a big spike here, and the Fed has just injected about $300 billion back into the economy. So in about 1 week, they've undone a lot of this. I mean, in a few weeks, they could undo this entire past year of quantitative tightening they've done. So I mean, already it's only been like a week since this whole banking crisis started. That's why they're doing this. That's why they've basically injected $300 billion back into the markets because of these bank failures. They're basically forced to do this, or banks are going to start collapsing. So this is only the start. JP Morgan Chase is estimating they may inject up to $2 trillion to stop this whole banking crisis thing. So that would put this way up above these levels. And I mean, if they do that, then you're going to see this spike just shoot up, and you're also going to see Bitcoin rocket up, and the dollar will be rocketing down. So crazy stuff. If they do end up, I mean, they've already done 300 billion. If they do end up doing 2 trillion, then we're going to see Bitcoin pump like crazy. So let's go over to the Bitcoin chart. That'd be crazy. We'd have a massive bull run. So, I mean, just in the past few days, we've seen Bitcoin go from 19,500 up to, we just hit $27,000 earlier today. So, I mean, and this is why people see, oh, the Fed's turning back on the money printers. Well, let's pile into Bitcoin. So Bitcoin going straight up, and we are breaking above this ascending resistance, which is great. If this daily candle can close above this resistance, then that'd be amazing. Looks like that might happen. Only 4.5 hours till the candle closes. And if we go on the weekly, if the weekly candle can close up above this ascending resistance, that'd be even better. And we would likely rocket right up to 29,000 in that case, which is our next major resistance. So yeah, crazy stuff. Also, let's pull up the EMA ribbon. If you look at this, Bitcoin finally breaking above this ribbon, which we've been stuck below for like a year. So beautiful. So if we can get above this ribbon, flip the ribbon back bullish like it was back here, then we should have another massive bull run. So we're seeing the price break above the ribbon right now. Amazing stuff. So yeah, we're breaking above key resistance, And hey, if the Fed indeed starts printing crazy money, trillions of dollars, then I think we're going to have a massive bull run. We may even come up to around 50,000 by the end of the year. So beautiful stuff. Congrats to everybody who's been buying all this fear and dollar cost averaging down here. You're going to make a lot of money. All right, so right now we have this daily candle breaking above resistance, 4.5 hours till it closes. We'll see if this candle does close above resistance and see if we can keep this pump going. Thanks for watching, guys. Exciting times. We're living through history. I'll see y'all later.